Hang on, people. Man, this is a good little series. It's called Alone. It's on Netflix. If you have it, it's pretty stinking good. Previously on Alone. So here's the scoop. They drop all these guys off in Alaska. 11 or 12 dudes. Well, guys and girls. And they put them in separate areas, and they're dropped off, and they got a phone, and they can tap out at any time. They'll come get help. And the last person that stays alive gets $500,000. So there is some pretty cool stuff in here, but they got 3 or 4 women, and it is the funniest shit, man. This one woman burns down her hooch. Well, I think all 3 women light fires to their area where they're living. But one girl almost she has to literally start tearing down her thing to stop the whole thing. And then a couple guys, everyone usually ends up crying when they quit because they feel it's a failure. They show some really good building different shelters, how they do it. So there's 6 people remaining in episode 6. This guy does a great job. He has to kill a freaking honey badger. This badger comes in and steals his shit. So he ends up killing it in the middle of the night. And then he builds this Russian high, tall tower thing. And he cuts the trees down. He makes one layer. He climbs up so he can work on it. And then he moves his food up here, so the critters will stop trying to get it. But it's kind of cool to watch them go through. They're hungry. They can only take 10 items. This episode, I think, is the one where the same girl that's already cut herself 3 times. So she cuts herself. Oh, here's where he gets the honey badger. And he kills the honey badger and skins it. And they've all got bows. Most of them have bows and arrows. Some guys didn't bring a bow and arrow. And the ones with bows and arrows, man, there's one girl in there. She's freaking badass. She took out a freaking grouse in a tree. That's a bird. She took out a squirrel with a headshot way up in a tree with her bow and arrow. This dude took out this honey badger with a bow and arrow, but didn't take him out. But when he shot it, it pinned it to the ground, and he went up with an axe and killed it. So here's where he's building his little shelter. So he cut down all the trees around these 4. Then he built him a platform that he can climb up to build his thing way up there. And then once he built the top one up top, he made himself a little ladder, and he keeps his all his food up here now. And if you shave, when he was standing on this, he shaved the bark, and it kept critters from climbing if you shave the bark off the trees. So, and he got that out of Russian. What was this dude doing? One guy freaking killed a moose with a freaking bow and arrow. And he had all this meat. And I don't want to ruin it on how he ends up. But this dude's making some pretty cool lures. He found some tin cans. And he made some lures. And he's catching fish. But the fish are getting away because he's got no way to grab it. So, right here he loses his fish.
No. Damn. Why didn't I just pull it in?
But he doesn't give up. He goes back and where does he make his little net? Is this the girl that got bit? Yeah, sure is. Hang on, I gotta show you the squirrel bite. This girl kills me. She's already burnt down her hooch. I think she stabbed herself or cut herself in the leg. And let's see if she gets the squirrel.
I just shot a squirrel and socked as a gun.
So she shoots it with a bow and arrow, which is pretty cool. And she's trying to kill it here. And I'm like, when I'm watching this, I'm like, dude, don't get your other hand by there. You got to pin that head. If you stick your hand in it, that squirrel's going to latch onto you. She reaches down with her freaking hand and grabs it. I'm like, are you kidding me?
How am I going to do this?
The next video is her bloody hand.
I just shot a squirrel and sucked. It was a gut shot.
Dude, this series is freaking great. I'm only on the 6th episode, but I started watching it, and some of the mistakes, and it's funny, one dude, he's the first guy to get something to eat. He eats it, and he gets worms or something. He goes into cramps, and he has to tap out because he can't keep any fluid down. Evidently, he had a heart attack, so he's got to take heart medicine before he went, and because he can't keep anything down, he can't take his heart medicine, so he has to tap out. Oh, shit, I said I wasn't going to ruin it. Sorry, I won't tell you how the other ones. But so far, I think 5 or 6 have what they call tapped out. And there's this girl.
I don't even know what to do right now. Like, another injury, bitten by a rodent. That's like not good. Like you could get some sort of disease from that or something. Like, I don't know, is there rabies here? Like, what happens to you when you get rabies? Like, I don't know, but I've got to clean.
So anyway, look, I enjoy this only because, I mean, it's a little slow, but they have to carry their video camera around. They have to make videos. They got bears coming around their camp. They got animals stealing their shit. They put up snares. They got some big-ass rabbits, and they call them, I guess, snow rabbits in Alaska. And those things, they're catching them left and right. They're little snares. But I thought it was a pretty good series. I just find it funny that out of 3 women on the show, I think all 3 of them burnt down where they were living because their fires got out of control. All right, I figured I'd share it. If y'all want to go watch it, it's called Alone. It's on Netflix, but I don't know if it's somewhere else or you can find it somewhere else. All right, well, in that there.